Hello everyone. I made this video because recently I bought a ON1 Photo Raw license for the software, and I just noticed that DCP profiles were kind of missing. So I know that the software support them, but there was not an easy way to import the DCP profiles for the software. So I saw that the ICC ones were okay, but for DCP was a kind of complicated thing. So I decided to create a little software for Mac users. Unfortunately, I didn't do it for Windows to kind of help people to import them. So I'm just going to show how it's done. So I have a sample image here. If I double click my image to open it and we go to the tone and color and we check on profile, we can see that we don't have the profiles that people are used to from Lightroom and Adobe. So one of the ways to import these DCP profiles that you get in Camera Raw is by just installing the Adobe DNG program and one raw ON1 Photo Raw will be able to import them automatically, but it's a bit crappy anyway, because if you want to put your custom profiles that you create with, for example, a color checker classic or a passport one, you won't be able to import them easily into the software. So I made something pretty easy and simple just to show. So I created this little app called ON1 DCP Profile Manager that, as you can see, right now I have a test folder here, but I will just remove it. And the goal is for now to show that we can add here as much as the DCP profiles as we want. So I'm going to start by importing just the Adobe ones, and it's pretty simple. So because ON1 Photo Raw will look for the DCP for your camera, you need to check first of all what's the model of the camera that you are using, and you need to create that folder inside this software. So I just go here, I create Canon EOS R10, it's my camera, and then I double click, I go import. I can also drag and drop, but for now I'm just going to show this one. We can do multiple ones. I have here the Adobe one, so I just do open, and voila, they are imported. I can close this app. I can restart Photo Raw software ON1 Photo Raw. It will restart, and next time that we try to check the profiles, if everything went well, they should be there. So if we go to tone, yeah, exactly. So as you can see, we have our DCP profiles here from Adobe. And that's pretty much it. So if we want to add also a custom one, we can do just the same. We go here, import. We can also drag and drop. I have here my folder profiles. This one is a custom one that I created with a specific illuminant. So I have it here. I can close this one. I need to restart the software because it doesn't update the folders automatically, so it doesn't read every time I add profiles to the folder. It doesn't capture it automatically, so I need to restart the software. It's a bit boring, but it is what it is. And now if I go here, I can see that I have my profiles here, and I have my custom one also here, as I wanted. Yeah, it's a very simple software. We can also add another camera. So let's say I also have a R8. So let's say I do this. I can add here. I can add to my favorites. So I just showed my favorite cameras. And if you have the Camera Raw profiles installed and you have the DNG, Adobe DNG, you will have all the profiles for all the cameras. So in here you will see all the folders for all the cameras. You can add them to your favorites and add other DCP profiles there. And that's it. I hope this video will help someone, and if you are a Mac user and you would like to have the software for manage DCP profiles for yourself, just leave a comment on the YouTube video and I will give you the software without any problem. Thank you.